Martha is 7 3/4. I'm making a line plot. So the first thing that you need to figure out for the line plot is what is the largest number in the set and what's the smallest. So first locate those two things so we know what to make our data set. So you should have found that 8 3/4 is the largest and 7 1/2 is the smallest. So when we make our line plot, a line plot is simply going to be a number line that we put our data on, and we're going to plot it by using an X. So the number below Ben, which is 7 1/2, the whole number would be 7. And the number above would be 9, because Mary, you can see, is 8 3/4. So right in the middle, we should put 8. And then you're going to want to add in the halves and the fourths. So I'm going to add in halves here. And then I also see fourths in my data. So I'm going to do, this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. If you want to label them, you can. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So once you do this, to show the student or to show the value, you're going to put an X on the line plot. So for instance, I'll show you this Ben. We can do 7 1/2. We'd put an X here. So each one is going to get an X for the data. And then the questions for part B, you can either use the information from the line plot that you make or from the table itself. So we want to think of 1/4. How many 1/4 are in 7 3/4? There's a lot of ways to do this. One way is to think about the number bond. How many fourths are in 7? And then how many plus the 3/4? That would give you the total number of 7/4. Then it says, what's the difference between Lilia's and Martha's shoe length? Difference tells us it's going to be subtraction. So you're going to do Lilia subtract Martha. And then Ben and Francis, you can see here, you're going to do greater than, less than, or equal to. The rest of the question should be through G, should be pretty simple to answer looking at the chart or the number plot. In H, it tells you about Mr. Jones and his shoe length. We want to make sure that we're comparing that to the length of the longest student shoe. So you're going to have to look back and see who that, you're going to want to take 25 halves and change it into a mixed number. So how many halves can you take out of 25, and then what remains? This number, you're going to discover what the whole number is. However many times 2 whole will be the number of wholes. Okay? And then the last one, of course, is creating your own problem.